An inside look at the new custom OS for the Mudita Kompakt. Every 2 weeks, Mudita is releasing some more information about their new device, the Mudita Kompakt. A couple weeks ago, they talked about the e-ink display, as well as the e-reader application. Well, in this batch of updates, they talk about the clean and custom OS. Now, this OS gives us insights on what the phone will be capable of and the decluttered and minimalist design. Looking at the images that they provide regarding the device, we'll be able to see exactly which apps will be included. You can see on the home screen it's quite clean and sleek, and you'll see an SMS or texting application as well as the phone application. In the app drawer itself, by selecting More, you'll see all of the apps included with the Mudita Kompakt. Within this list of apps, you'll see the Recorder, the e-reader app, a Notes app, a meditation app, as well as a calculator, and even a camera. Yes, this device will officially have a camera, which is good news for a lot of people. We don't know the specs of the camera, of course, but the fact that there is a camera application, this is good news. Now, as far as the OS itself, it doesn't specify any additional information, but they do mention that it was designed with privacy in mind and that there is no tracking for this particular operating system. So I'm guessing this is not an Android operating system. Besides the operating system itself, it does have a very clean design. As somebody who has a visual impairment, I can really appreciate the design of the icons and the layout of the operating system itself. Pairing it with an e-ink display makes it a huge win. This device will be easy on the eyes, easy to navigate, and bonus, not distracting at all. There will be no social media and no addictive games. This is good and bad news for some people because I'm sure certain users out there will want specific applications, and it looks like this device is really designed with digital minimalism in mind. You won't have access to the Play Store, and you'll just have the default apps installed. What do you think about the custom OS layout? Do you like it? Are there some apps that you would like to see included? What about the camera? Do you think it's going to be a camera that is high resolution or just getting by? There are other e-ink devices or e-ink phones out there with cameras that do take pictures that will display in color on other devices but not on the device itself, and I think this may be a similar route that Mudita is taking with the Kompakt. I myself am very curious to see what Mudita will release in their sneak peek feature reviews that they're giving out every 2 weeks. If you want to stay on top of these sneak peeks, sign up to their waitlist and see what they have to say. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.